Hello, it's Dad from Now That's RVing. Today I will give you a tour of the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers St. Lucie Campground, located on the St. Lucie Canal, which is part of the 152-mile Okeechobee Waterway that spans South Florida from the Atlantic Ocean to the Gulf of Mexico. Getting to St. Lucie Campground is easy. From I-95, take exit 101 Stuart, Indiantown. Following State Road 76, also known as Canal Highway, west for 0.5 miles to Lock Road. Turn right onto Lock Road for 1.3 miles to Southwest Canal Street. And turn left into the campground. The St. Lucie Campground offers 9 RV tent sites and 8 boat campsites with electric and water hookups. There are also 3 tent sites with no hookups. A large picnic pavilion located for day use can also be reserved. Let the tour begin.
Yes.
So here's the whole entire tour. I'm going to do the tour. Okay, here's your oh look, there's the pavilion. You see it on the right, and the dock.
Yeah,
The dock
that
is here on the right. You see how you can launch the boat?
Yes.
And then the parking here, so they can park on with the boats, and then that's the pavilion we have. You see it?
This is the pavilion.
That's the pavilion with the big barbecue pit and the fire pit also that we can sit around.
Okay.
Then this is the RV site 1. Okay, this is RV site 1. RV site 2 is occupied right now. And then that is ours, RV site 3. That's it, RV site 3. See, it's not that big. And then we have the tent site right next to it.
This is the tent site?
Yep, that's tent site 1. See? So then there's parking out here, see? And then you have tent site 2, 3. So you can put your tent and park out here. Okay. And then there's a fishing. He said there's a fishing area right here. See, we can fish out here.
Yeah, this one is very small.
No, it's very small. So now I'm giving you my RV tour. Ooh. See, this is your little tent site. There's a tent site available. That he said. But parking for the tents, see? With no power, no water. And then this is RV. This is the other RV sites here. This is RV 4. Okay, 5, 6. This is the one that you have. 6 over here. 7. And then RV 8. Don't we have 8? Or is that them already, or they're leaving? Is that them? Oh, this is 9. Where's 8? That's 9. And as you see how all this parking, you can park all out here.
Yeah.
And then this is the...
Yeah, they can really stay here?
Yes, they can.
They cannot stay the night?
No, they cannot stay the night.
Not in the park?
Not in the park. Where's the dump? Oh, there's the dump. And then there's the dump site.
But they can stay in a tent?
They can stay in a tent. No, at our tent site. This is the dumping station. Okay, campsite volunteer. The bathroom. See the bathroom? They have a shower. This is the comfort station with the men's and women's bathroom. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the men's bathroom. Shower. And then we'll go circle and check in.
The bathroom has only one shower.
Campsite 3. Look, there's also boat sites. There are 8 boat campsites with electric and water hookups. I'm going to give you a quick tour of all 8 sites. Well, there's 8 right here. You see 8? That's our other site.
This is our?
Yeah, 8.
I saw that we were in front of
We're at number 3.
the water.
We're number 3 right here.
Oh,
See
this
it?
is us, right?
This is us.
Oh.
RV3. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the St. Lucie South Campground. Thank you for watching. Please like, leave us a comment below, subscribe, and share. Now that's RVing.